Saxon Phonics, Lesson 46. Do you know how many letters are in the alphabet? Yeah, 26. And do you know what two kinds of letters make up the alphabet? Right, we have vowels and consonants. What letters are the vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. What is the first letter in the alphabet? Right, it's A. What's the last letter in the alphabet? Z. Let's begin our lesson. What sound do you hear in the final position of these words? Box, axe, fix. Did you hear what sound? And what letter is making that sound? X. X is the sound we hear in the final position of these words. Box, axe, fix. X is the letter making that sound. Now, to guess our picture card, here are some clues. This animal lives in the woods. It often has a bushy red tail and a reputation for being sly. Its name rhymes with box. What do you think it is? Fox. Did you get it right? When you see this card, say fox. X. The keyword fox helps us remember the x sound because fox ends with x. It kind of sounds like a KS sound. X. Can you make that sound? X. Go ahead and get your paper out and look at number 1. Number 1, E. E. Right, E, and don't forget our double E. Number 2, A. 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 And what other one makes an A sound? Right, A, consonant, E. That sneaky E makes the A say A. Number 3, O. O. O and O, consonant, E. Number 4, I. I. I and I, consonant, E. These sneaky E's sneak over this consonant and scare these letters into saying their long sound. They say their name, A-O-I. Number 5, T. 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 And sometimes ED sounds like T. Number 6, W. 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 Number 7, D. 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 Make sure the D's belly is facing the numbers. Your left hand. What also sounds like d? Our suffix ed sounds like d. Number 8, k. 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 C. And our digraph, C. K. Number 9, U. 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 And U consonant E. Number 10, N. 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 When you're finished, let's look at the next section. Number 11, don't. This is a contraction. Don't. D. O. N. T. Don't forget your apostrophe. With contractions, we take two words, do, not, and we put them together. Our O in n, ot got squished out of our word and turned into this apostrophe. Number 12, won't. Won't. W. O. N. T. Will not. Won't. Number 13, x. 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 Number 14, let's spell using X. The word is six. Six. S. I. X. Number 15, box. Box. B. Ah. X. Number 16, tax. Tax. T. A. X. Tax. When you're finished with this section, look at the next one. We are going to take a break on coding words, but I still want you to look at 17 through 21. Which word spells the word fox? Fox. Look for the word that starts with f, f. And the next sound after f is ah, ah. X. What letter does this word end in? Fox. It ends in X, which means it cannot be this word because this word ends in ed. F, f. We know it begins with an F, so it's either 19 or 17. Which one do you think it is? Yes, 17. F, ah, x. Draw that line to the fox. And let's look at 22 through 26. Find the word that says 9. N, ein. N, ein. Do you know what letter 9 starts with? N. Is there a word that starts with N? Yes, number 22. Let's read it and see if it's the right word. N, ein. That silent E makes that I say I. Draw a line from the picture 9 to the word 9. and then turn your paper over when you're done. Rex brought an ox to class. He made it at home. Rex hopes to win a prize with his ox. Repeat each sentence after me. Rex brought an ox to class. He made it at home. Rex hopes to win a prize with his ox. Now number 1. Rex brought an ox to home, class, box. Fill in one of those bubbles. Number 2. Rex hopes he will win a box, prize, ox. When you're done filling in the answers for this worksheet, practice writing your X's on both the back and the front. Write as neatly as you can, and then submit your worksheet to your teacher.